and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain, listening to your heart pump out some new soul name. She's so perfect, blah blah.